To attach a wooden drawer to the Dynapro, we need these front locking devices and adjustment adapters at the back. These are easy to install. I use the drilling template to find the correct position for the front locking device. Simply place it over the corner here. And I always place the front locking device on top of the drilling template as well, in order to work out exactly which holes are the right ones. And it's these two holes here. Now I can use the center drill bit to pre-drill the holes. And the same on the other side. 3.5 by 25 mm screws. When screwing on the front locking device, make sure that it does not protrude at all. It is better to position it a little further back. For the adjustment adapters at the back, I again place the template over the corner. Place it here. Again, I position the adjustment adapter over the top here to check exactly which holes are the right ones. The other side too. Now we can insert the drawer directly into the slides in the cabinet. And it clicks into place. Open the drawer, then close it again with a bit of force. And that is how to quickly and easily install the front locking devices and adjustment adapters. And if you now want to know how to adjust the drawer, in terms of height, sides and tilt angle, and possibly even depth, then I recommend you watch the other video on that topic. And in the meantime, I wish you every success with your projects.